Hi everyone. Today I'll be teaching you about two important chemistry topics. I'll be teaching you about moles and Avogadro's number. So let's talk about moles. A mole is a counting unit in chemistry, just like if you say a dozen means 12. I'm going to have my example right here. We use moles to count atoms and molecules because atoms are so tiny, it's impossible to count them one by one. Moles link mass and number of particles. 1 mole of a substance has a mass in grams equal to its molar mass. Avogadro's number is 6.022 by 10 to the 23rd power. It tells us how many particles, atoms, ions, or molecules are in 1 mole. It connects the atomic scale to the real world. For example, 1 mole of carbon atoms equals 6.022 by 10 to the 23rd power of atoms of carbon.
I will be presenting chemical nomenclatures, ionic versus molecular compounds, and molar mass. Chemical nomenclature is a systematic method used to name chemical substances and represents their compositions clearly and universally. It is the system used for naming compounds. Ionic versus molecular compounds. Ionic compounds consist of 1 metal and 1 nonmetal. Molecular consists of 2 nonmetals. Binary compounds are composed of 2 elements, a metal and a nonmetal. When writing a binary compound, you must write the metal first and then write the nonmetals and end it with IDE. Transition metal compounds. Transition metal compounds are ionic compounds containing transition metals which can have more than one possible charge. When writing a transition metal compound, you must write the metal name first, indicate its oxidation state using Roman numerals in parentheses, then write the nonmetal with IED or the paleoatomic name. Okay, next we have polyatomic ionic compounds. Polyatomic ionic compounds are compounds that include polyatomic ions made of multiple atoms bonded together, acting as a single charge unit. To name these, we must name the cation and then name the polyatomic anion. Lastly, we have molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance, element, or compound. It represents the mass of, and I'll list the problem here in particles of that substance, and is expressed in grams per mole. How to calculate molar mass using the periodic table. So first, you must identify the element in the chemical formula. Find each element's atomic mass on the periodic table. Then multiply the atomic mass of each element by the number of atoms of that element in the formula. Then you add it all up, and you'll get the total of the molar mass of the compound.